This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the scary alerts that come from the site mcprotectionpro.com. mcprotectionpro.com is indeed a deceptive website that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It claims that your computer is infected and that you need to protect your PC from viruses and threats. Some of these pop-ups may also use the names and the logos of some well-known security programs, but when scared people click on this Protect Now button, they instead get redirected to some other malicious websites that promote a totally different software. Some of these so-called promoted programs are actually considered as potentially unwanted applications. Instead of helping, they actually slow down the system performance. So if you see these pop-ups by mcprotectionpro.com, you should not interact with them. My recommendation is that you carefully examine the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious programs here on the list, don't hesitate to uninstall them immediately. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats that could be possibly hidden, I recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete any other possibly concealed infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.